Actions are the building blocks of an app. Let's learn how an app is constructed. Here we are in the Actions tab of a product app such as we might find on a packaging QR code. On the right we see a preview of the app, which is also a preview of the 4 actions on this page. They highlight as I mouse over them, and at the same time a corresponding edit module highlights on the left. In the lower left corner of each of these edit modules, I see the type action. The top one is a menu action, followed by an image action, a page text action, and then a social action. So by adding 4 actions, I've created the first page of this app. Let's launch the app and see what else it does. Now as I look at the app, I have icons in the menu, and the support icon links to a subpage which has a tap to call, which is a call action, tap to email, an email action, a link action to a help desk, and then a form. Looking under the info icon, I see specifications, which is text, an embedded PDF manual, which is a file action, and an embedded video, which is a video action. And then I have a link to the store, link action, share action, and then another form action. Returning to the app, if I look at the menu, I know that there are 5 actions inside that menu, so I can expand the menu with the edit pencil. And inside the menu, I see where I can define the 5 icons along with the text under those icons. And below that, I see the 5 actions associated with those 5 icons. A subpage, 2 subpages followed by a link action, a share action, and then a form action. I can then expand the subpage, the first subpage, and here I will see the call action, the email action, the link action, and the form action. And as this is a subpage, I can add all the additional actions here that I want. So let me close these 2 pages and return to the main page. Thus, I build an app by creating a list of actions and add additional lists behind some of these actions. For ongoing maintenance, I add, remove, and rearrange actions as needed. Now let's look at how to add actions to our app. Let's say we want to add a promo link to the main page of this app. To do this, we tap Add New Action to see our options. Here we see that we can add a form action or page text or share or image or video or many of the actions that we've already seen. We can also add actions that we haven't seen yet, such as an in-app message, an HTML widget, carousel, RSS feed. But in this instance, we want to add a link action, so we'll tap Link, which will open up the edit page for a link action. We're going to name this promo link. And we're going to add a tag also, promo. Names and tags are very important to finding our actions in the library, and the name is important because that's what's going to display on our metrics reports. I'm going to paste in a URL that I want to add, and now I've got to add a call to action that will incentivize somebody to click on this action and visit the link. I can add any combination of a title, description, or preview, but do know that many links have metadata already associated with them. So if I fetch the data, I can often pull forward what already exists for this link. So here I pulled forward an image and a description, and let me just use this for now. I can now control the look of this call to action. I can make the image icon sized, quarter sized, half sized, hero sized, or I can simply delete it and add an icon out of the library. I can also decide that I do not want the link itself to be visible, so I will hide the endpoint, tap Create, and I've created a new action in this app. It appears at the top. If I want it further down the page, then I just slide it down into the position I want, hit Save, and I've added my new action to this app. I'm going to delete it just to demonstrate the library. Once an action is created, it will remain permanently in your account, even if you delete it from an app. It'll only be deleted if you delete it physically from the library. Actions can be used in multiple apps once they are created. If I want to add this action back from the library, one, I could just search by the last action I modified, but I can also search by tag. Remember, I created that tag, so I could search by promo and find it that way, and I could also search by name in the library. So I'm going to add this action back to the top of the app, move it back into the same position, hit save, and I will launch this app and see that I have the new promo link there. It's that easy to build and update an app. Thanks for watching this video.